Hey guys, good morning. How's everybody? Welcome back to my channel, guys. You see this Super Saver heart, red heart yarn? I got this from one of the craft store here in Hawaii. I don't have all my equipment yet because our shipping container for our stuff never come yet. Yeah, I bought this from a Ben Franklin craft store because I thought I can make a quick tutorial for you guys, and also this hook because I don't have a crochet hook this size. Alright, and this stand, I'm trying to improvise something here. As you see, I'm only using the floor right now. We don't have tables, we don't have anything here, only the computer. And this stand, I bought it from Best Buy. Don't laugh, guys, this is just a chair. A chair that I bought from Daiso. I just flip it over and use it to, I'm trying to improvise something here, guys, so I can make a video for you. And I use it to hold this stand, but I'm not sure because my phone is not connected here yet, so I'm not sure if once connected, not sure if the chair can hold it or not. I did not try it yet because I just did it. Okay, anyway guys, I will try to make a video for you. If this stand works, I may be able to post the video the day after tomorrow, or if not, then I have no choice but to wait for my actual equipment to crochet. Yeah guys, and you know what, let me tell you about the price of this. I'm surprised, guys, because in California, for example, if you buy this from Joann, this is a super jumbo, and this is just the 5 ounce, I think. Yeah, this is the 5 ounce yeah, yarn. So they are both Super Saver. Okay, for this jumbo, you know how much the price here is? $10.97. But if you buy it from Joann in California, or any Joann store, if they're having a promotional offer, you can get this for about 6 something, you know. And I'm surprised. I think the original price of this is around $9 something, but over here is $10.97, and this one is $5.57 or $5.67. Yeah, I'm surprised in this one, guys, because I used to buy this hook from Amazon, and this type of hook I can get it only for, I think, $6 something, but over here is $12. What a surprise. I think I will continue purchasing online, because over here, if you go to the store, they will rip off your wallet. Just saying, guys, but it's true, you know. Okay, like I said, if this stand will work, I will be uploading the new video tutorial for you guys the day after tomorrow. And if not, then I have to wait. But I still have a scheduled video on YouTube until January 24. That is every other week. Okay, so don't worry, guys, you still have a new videos to come. And yeah, thank you for watching my videos, guys. Thank you for liking my videos and sharing my videos, and also thank you for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for supporting my small channel, and see you again for my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.